निसान प्लेस्टेशन जीटी एकेडमी के ज़ेरे एहतमाम हैदराबाद के इन ऑर्बिट मॉल में मोटर रेसिंग टैलेंट का आगाज़ किया गया। जो कि मोटर कार रेसिंग में माहिर हो इसमें हिस्सा ले सकते हैं, जो कि फ्री रहेगा और इसकी आखिरी तारीख़ 20 अप्रैल रहेगी। जो भी इसमें अपने फ़न का अच्छा मुजाहरा करेगा तो आने वाले मुकाबलों में हिस्सा दिया जाएगा। मीडिया से बातचीत करते हुए निसान इंडिया ऑपरेशन के प्रेसिडेंट यमुरा और कंट्री हेड प्लेस्टेशन के ए बोसी ने ये बात बताई।
Joining us today. This is the GT Academy event in Hyderabad. Nissan has been doing this amusement for the last 3-4 years, starting from Europe. And we decided to start from this year here in India, which is also a very important market for Nissan. So we launched the first at the Delhi Auto Expo back in February, and we went to Mumbai and here today at the Hyderabad. What we are doing now is sort of the qualifying session, and so far we saw the more than 2,000 participants. And after we go to the Bangalore and Chennai, also we get the participant from the internet as well. We do the national final sometime in June. Then the winners will be sent to the sort of international competition.
So what is your target for the display station? What is your target? What is the target of display stations about this gaming show?
No, there is no target. We like to communicate the Nissan brand, which is the innovation and excitement for everybody. Automobile is a very practical tool for the transportation, but there is a very emotional attached. Styling, good looking, bad looking is one of them, and also the fun to drive. And ultimate fundamental life is through the motorsports. But doing a real motorsports is a little bit too expensive for everybody. So that's why with this Sony PlayStation game, we like.
So how do you find this response? How do you find this response? Like, what was the response from the participants?
Yeah, so far we saw the more than 2,000 participants in Delhi and Mumbai. In Hyderabad, we just started today.
So we can expect any more activities from Nissan. We can expect any more activities from Nissan. Like kind of same thing.
Other
Activities.
than the GT Academy. We are trying to communicate Nissan brand because we are still a niche player, but we have the big aspiration to become the major player in India. So we may do some other activity as well. Actually, we are planning in the planning stage of the brand activity.